Hey y'all, this is Manna with She's a Mad Gardener, and today I am excited to show you guys my summer porch decor. Typically for the summer, I redo in a patriotic theme so that I can cover Memorial Day, July 4th, and Labor Day. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell beside it so you know when all my latest videos are up.
Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we've been wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Hands, put 'em in the sky, yeah, raise your hands. We ain't got no worries, only plans to make everybody dance, 'cause we can. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we've been wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Oh, 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 do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we've been wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Oh, 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 feels. Almost don't remember how it feels when you lay down in an open field, when your summer dreams are turning real, so unreal. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we've been wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Hands, put 'em in the sky, yeah, raise your hands. We ain't got no worries, only plans to make everybody dance, 'cause we can. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do.
Okay, here's a view of the front porch from back on the sidewalk. If you've seen some of my past videos, you know that I have 2 chairs up front that I leave up there all year round that we like to hang out in, and then I like to add decor to that. But let me walk you guys up through the porch and show you what all I did. Okay, here's from the porch, and here is the planter that I put together today. I ended up taking this little lantern from Target and utilizing one of my flower stakes and hanging that sweet little lantern there. I picked up a wide variety of these lanterns. They're for outdoor purposes, and so I thought they were just fabulous. I've got some creeping jennies, some red verbena, some moss flower or moss rose, some sun patience tucked in here, a little bit of Mexican feather grass, super cute. Walking up on here, potted up some caladiums, and I have a little display up here. For those of you from my spring porch, you'll recognize this piece, which I left there. And I added a couple of other things, including like this old bread mold right here. Hung up that metal star. The Believe pillow is new this year, as is the lantern. Everything else I already owned. I had this cute little mat that I picked up from Target last year as well. And I have this wreath, which I'm not really sure where I got it. A lot of times I buy 4th of July stuff or red, white, and blue stuff. I buy it at the end of the season so I can get it for less expensive. Okay, but let me show you this guy, which is new this year. This massive flag. I got this flag at a vintage fair in McKinney, Texas. I don't think it's overly old. I think it's just older. It definitely has like some wear and fraying in places. And I thought, I'm a sucker for older American flags, and I just thought it would be really beautiful on the porch here as a large display. And then would give it a lot more years of use since it is not actually out in the elements. So it is tucked here under the porch, and I can leave a light on during the night. I ended up putting in this little plant holder I found on the side of the road, this little plant stand, tucked in a few of my lemon cypress, put in this cute little birdhouse that I found. Brought in a couple more plants, tucked in a lantern, super cute. Love this area. These are plastic Adirondack chairs that I got from Home Depot. They're on their 2nd year, doing really well. Couple of small pillows that were also picked up from the dollar spot at Target. That guy. Anywhere from $3 to $5 per pillow. Super cute. Yeah, I like this look over here. Of course, my mirror that I use at display, and this wooden design I made a few years ago. My friend Richard gave us some old fence boards, and I painted them up. Put those around there. I love how it turned out, you guys.
Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we'd be wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Hands, put them in the sky, raise your hands. We ain't got no worries, only
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this summer porch tour. It'll be fun showing you guys updates as the season goes on. And my next full porch redo will be for the fall, which is my second most favorite. The red, white, and blue patriotic is my favorite. I love summer. I think it's super fun. I think it's joyful, driving up from swimming all day with my kids and seeing all this. So I just love it. But the fall one will be coming up soon, and it is pretty fabulous as well. As always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.